Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Very happy Women's Day to all you women out there. Last time I had posted a spread on March 1st Shivratri, and you all really enjoyed it, and you all loved seeing the way I did predictions, and we were very excited about the giveaway which I had planned. So today, as a special Women's Day thing, I would be seeing who all have liked and left a comment on the reading, how the reading has corresponded with you, or how the reading has made you get the right guidance. Though the best 3 comments will get a small 3-card reading from me, where you will send me the questions and I will send you the answers. Only the lucky 3 I will send, because I'm sorry I'm not able to take more than 3 every time because of my time constraints. So let's see how the reading resonates with you. Now you all must be wondering, what is this cards about? Actually, for the Women's Day, I took this special spread called as the Finding Your Life's Purpose spread. I wanted to do something special for you all. So the first card is going to describe what is your purpose. So this is the card which is going to talk about your purpose. It says Cups. So you're here to spread affection. I feel when I see this card, some of you out there are trying to mend your relationship with your partner. You want your relationship to become better. Now this can be partner, mainly because if you see the card here, this is a boy and a girl, more like exchanging glass of wine or champagne. So here I feel you are trying to, either you want to get married this year, or you want to make your relationship better with your partner this year, or you are looking for a soulmate. Your search for a soulmate is on. It can also be that you are already happily married, but there is some sort of a spark missing in the relationship, which you want to make it all right, and you want the relationship to start moving forward. Now, the second card, which is this card, talks about what is the day-to-day situation of your relationship, or if you're attracting a soulmate, or if you want to get married. It's very bright. Things are looking good. If you see here, it's as if all the planets are coming and surrounding you, making you feel that don't worry, bright days are ahead. Things will be really good, and you will achieve what you want. So if you want to mend your relationship, then I'm sure this year the mending is going to happen. If you're looking out for attracting a life partner, then yes, he or she is on the way. If you're looking at getting married, then chances are very high that the marriage is definitely going to happen. So now coming to the card 3, this talks about what will happen at the end of my life. Now don't see the person bending the head thinking it is a sad card, because he is grounded and in his hand the wand is there. He has set every wand in the place. So relationship will get sorted, everything will fall in its place, everything will go well, and there is nothing to worry, because I feel whatever goal you start into mending the relationship or marrying or attracting a soulmate is going to be done, and you're going to be perfectly happy with how it happened. Now coming to the card 4. What does your partner now see you as, or what does the upcoming soulmate look at you as? A beautiful card. If you see here, actually your partner knows that you are there for him or her. Your partner knows that with you they can do anything. You are the bright shining star for them. They are very happy that you are there. The partner who's going to come for you is going to make you feel like this star. You're going to be very happy getting married or getting the right partner that you desire. So overall, I see this card as a card that more than anything, there's a star up. If you see, so now this divine is nothing but is the divine guidance. It is the angel. It is the higher white light. So the gods, the universe is hell-bent on getting you what you desire, and on making you realize that we are there for you. The best part is, as I'm recording, when I said angels, exactly the recording minute it showed as 4.44. So again, the angels are reconfirming that those who are seeing this spread right now, their life is going to change and their relationships are going to become better. So be it. So now coming to card 5. Now there are 3 cards I have taken out for card 5. Basically, what all steps you need to take for this thing to happen, for the relationship to become better. Okay. Now this is a beautiful card, 10 of coins. Spend more time. Give them surprises. When I see this, I feel you should give them surprises, like, you know, take them for a dinner, or make something that they like eating. And when I say surprising, it doesn't have to be costly gifts or anything. Small surprises, small happiness in life, which will make them feel that yes, my partner is trying to make me feel special. Now, if you're looking out for a soulmate, try to see what are the other ways of finding soulmate, rather than just, you know, maybe like you have already put in the matrimonial site, but maybe you should look out in social media. Maybe you should look out in your near sources. Maybe you should start mingling with your friends so that you will find your soulmate. Now, if you're looking for marriage proposals, you should see, other than whatever existing sources you're doing, what are the other ways of bringing in new proposals, or bringing in proposals that actually attract you, or that actually are good for you. Now, what is the next thing you should do? Okay, now this is beautiful. Teamwork. I feel this is teamwork. I feel now when it comes in relationship, I feel no arguments, no fights. Avoid the fights, arguments and stress. Now, if you see this card, again, I don't know. Maybe it is my way of thinking. When I'm seeing this card, if you see closer look, it's as if they are fighting. But for me, the wings are shown here. I can only see the angel wings here. So I feel avoid fights, avoid stress, avoid arguments in the relationship for making it better. Now, if you're looking in for a soulmate, avoid fighting with yourself. Now, this card, for those who are looking for soulmate or for marriage proposal, you are fighting within yourself. You're losing your confidence. Will I ever find? Will it happen? It will happen. Don't give up at the stage where I know it's going to become a success for you. And you'll be very happy to know that, you know, because you didn't give up at this point of time, you attracted the best partner or the best soulmate. What is the other thing you should do? Look out. I don't know, maybe I'm just assuming things. Suddenly when I saw this, I felt as if this is the Lord Ganesha's trunk. That's what I felt. Maybe I'm wrong. But here if you see, it says, look out. There are a lot of bright things out there for those looking for soulmate and a marriage partner. Look out of the box. Think out of the box. Don't just see in your close circle. See around the world. Now in relationship, Vignaharta is there to remove Vigna from all your relationship. All you need to do is just look at the brighter side. Think of the happy days that you have spent with your partner and try to do things that will make you happy and will make the partner happy. And I'm sure things are going to sort out. Now here, I would suggest those who have started your journey on making your relationship better, carry a combination of clear quartz, rose quartz and rhodochrosite and keep it in the southwest corner of your bed. If you're looking for a marriage partner, if you're looking for a soulmate, then just pick a rhodochrosite bracelet and wear it. It will help you attract the partner you like. Now for people who are looking for marriage and also for people who want to make their relationship better, burn pink candle every day. A normal pink candle will do. Apply rose oil on it and burn every day with the intent that the relationship is becoming better or you are attracting your marriage partner. One more small tip I want to add here. In your bathing water, use Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon. Use a little bit of rose petals every day and have a bath. You can even add these things in your partner's bath water so that they can also attract the same relationship betterment in life. Now this last card is basically, will I get what I am achieving right now, or will I get what I want, or what I have been seeing this spread for so long? Yes, you will. And that's a beautiful card. Angels are surrounded. So if you're looking for marriage, yes, the marriage is happening. If you're looking for a soulmate, the partner is on the way. If you're looking for how my relationship will go, it is going to be absolutely a beautiful relationship. So I hope you all enjoyed this spread. Do let me know how it resonated with you. And as I said, the best reply will definitely get 3 best replies will get from me a 3-question reading. I will write the names here itself at the end of tomorrow. I would want to give this spread one day to see who is resonating with it and which is the best comment that is coming, and then I will close down to who the 3 lucky winners will be. And with a small blessing from my side, that may you attract the best soulmate, may you get your life partner, may your existing relationship grow more and more and more, and you become the strongest couple, and you be blessed with all the happiness in this world. And once again, a very, very happy Women's Day to all you beautiful women out there, for always loving me, encouraging me, supporting me, standing by me. I couldn't ask for more rather than having you all in my life. Thank you.